덤대하듯이 돌아섰는데 왜 나는 외로울까 Together
Hello guys, Medicare here.
And Skiller.
And welcome back to another K-pop reaction. That was so weird. What put me off. Today we're reacting to iKON. We are reacting to Airplane, Bling Bling, and Dumber Dumber. I've got that, but
I forgot it too. I couldn't help you. There was like, what is it? What are we reacting to?
So we decided to react to. Well, I decided to react to iKON because we're changing things up here. We're now choosing requests from a request tier or request doc.
Yeah.
Struggling to get this out. But we've got a whole bunch of requests and we thought that instead of doing like requests Tuesday and Thursday, it'd be better to just say who's choosing the songs for what day it is. Because they were sort of getting redundant, we felt.
Yeah. We were saying can't even speak myself. Request Tuesday and Thursday a lot, even though the whole week was kind of being requests.
Yeah.
So we're going to take like turns and choose requests like we have been doing previously.
Yeah.
But obviously you're not going to get two videos. You're just going to get one video as
exactly.
we're back together.
Yeah.
So first that was Medicay's choice.
iKON.
Yeah, and then he'll do Wednesday as well. I do Tuesday, Thursday, and then we'll alternate
Days.
Weeks. So then next week I'll be Monday, Wednesday, here Medicay, Tuesday, Thursday, etc.
Yeah,
and that's how we'll go.
We thought this would be the best video to do it. I mean, because one is iKON, it's probably your biggest fan base. Two, we decided to do I decided to do iKON because we're going to put a community post up later for something different Sunday. You guys get to decide what we watch next. It just won't be this Sunday, but
yes, there's a wee special thing happening this Sunday.
Yeah. Make sure you watch it. BTS video she said to find out what is.
Yeah, we could also.
His one, because I didn't mention it.
We could also mention it here. So this Sunday is my birthday.
Yep.
So we'll be reacting to someone different for something different Sunday. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah, so we're going to put a community post up. You guys get to vote on what we're going to watch next. We've got about 4 or 5 options for you. We'll keep those under wraps till later. There was one thing else I was meant to mention, and
the request.
Oh yeah, there's a request by Konnn and
Tuleep. Yeah.
I think there was something else though.
You're going to mention
yeah, I remember now.
I didn't even say anything.
I remember. So there was some copyrighted requests a while back. This was a very long intro, by the way, I just realised.
Yes.
But there was a lot of requests a while back, like Heroes on Remix, Bolhua, The Fantastic Duo, like that's the same thing. But
yeah,
those requests, we're going to go back to them because there's some videos we've done editing and we've been able to upload our reactions in some capacity. So we're going to go back to those requests at some point. So since so many of you guys wanted it. Yeah, so we're going to eventually roll those back in.
Yeah, and it also opens up more videos for us to check out, like Mama performances. What else is there? Like Melon, all those award show performances open up as well. So
because like since we haven't done editing, we just thought why not go back to these ones that have been requested, but we originally said no because we didn't have the capability to edit.
We've still got them there, but we'll go back to them now.
Yeah, but now finally we can get into it. Apologies for
about a 10-minute intro, guys. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, should just did like an update video or something. But oh well. But we'll get into it. Smash that like and subscribe button. Any requests down below. Hit play before people click off the video.
So we've got Airplane first up.
J-Hope? No, wrong group. Or wrong person.
BTS. It's been a long time since I've heard this song.
Yeah, same. The like video style seems weird.
June's here when he pops up. That is a music video of Minju and one of the iKON ones.
Shut up.
I'm just gonna sneak in here.
Yeah. Kill your girl.
Smell like the old best mates.
Yeah.
Maybe they're fighting over her.
Possibly.
Bobby, hurry up.
Yeah.
It's like,
Yeah. How much gel did you use?
spray.
Yeah, what do you? The wreck, been on point. There's a whisk.
Because it's a win, isn't it?
Hands off the bridge.
So is it,
I think it was Chan, wasn't it?
yeah, was it rap though?
I think it was.
Yeah, I did not recognise DK at the start.
No.
So I didn't recognise him, but I can recognise his voice.
Yeah.
You guys like, my turn, boy.
I gotta interrupt you now. Do like Jay, June, do not get a shot at this girl. Just Bobby and VI.
No one else gets a shot, it's just these two.
Yeah. Stop seeing my girl. I'm trying to make my move.
Young looks really interesting. It
Yeah.
shows how old this is. There he is.
Has he sung yet?
No.
Did you mention it?
Maybe captions we could have done.
Yeah, I was like wondering that.
She's late. Well, he's late.
He's like, oh, she's leaving, and he does want her to go. Didn't get to say goodbye. I guess that's the end.
That's from their debut album.
Yeah.
We're back.
Back.
Welcome back.
Welcome
What
back.
did there?
Welcome back to us being together,
Yeah.
yes. For the second video.
Yeah.
Here's why I felt so weird in the beginning.
Yes.
Not a bad song.
Yeah, I didn't mind it. I like the chorus.
Yeah.
I've thought for not listening to it in a while,
Yeah.
everything seemed to be on point,
Yeah.
and the chorus and like the vocals to me stood out pretty well. I enjoyed the vocals, even for how like
I think it's more on the rap side for this, to be honest.
well. Oh, you enjoyed the rap?
Yeah.
more. Yeah. I was getting there.
Sorry.
I was just gonna say the vocals were like on point. Like, I enjoyed that,
Yeah.
but then the rapping, especially Bobby and I think it was Chan. I believe it's Chan. They
Yeah. Chan
I
has rapped before.
Yeah, I really enjoyed that.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed that part of the song. Music video was actually quite interesting too.
Yeah. I love how just like there's only two members going for the girl. Like
Yeah, but then Bobby didn't chase after her at the
Yeah.
end. Only
No.
B.I. did.
yeah.
So did B.I. have feelings for her while Bobby didn't?
Yeah.
And then-
Possibly.
And he
Yeah.
got too late to tell her
Yeah.
his feelings.
Because Bobby was too busy interrupting, or he
Yeah.
was interrupting all the
Yeah,
time.
and
Yeah.
then he couldn't get there on time
Yeah.
because he saw her she was leaving. And
Yeah.
he couldn't say it, and then he's
Yeah.
like, oh,
We cracked it. We cracked it.
maybe.
Watch us to be totally wrong.
Yeah. Anyway, is that all?
Yeah, I think that's it.
So moving into
Dumber Dumber.
Dumber and Dumber. It's from the same album? Second album.
I think it's like second.
Yeah, Dumb and Dumber. It's been a while since I heard this one as well.
Yeah.
But it hasn't been a while since I heard Bling Bling.
No, it's
Tell you that.
Tell you that much. It's been recent.
It's an interesting guitar on the side there.
Hello.
For a minute,
Bobby?
I thought they all looked the same in the background, like Juno and Jay.
They're identical. Wow.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah. Bobby was it here?
Half of them want to
Yeah.
sit here. Do you know the middle?
Just like,
We can't say much about here.
yeah.
Been a while since we're in you can't.
Yeah.
So, hence you see me play around my hair a lot.
Yeah.
Gotta make sure it looks alright for you. What? It's meant to be robbing the place, not rapping in front of them.
Oh baby 거기 누구 없나요 내 마음이 외로워요
Jay looks so different.
Yeah.
보지 마
Couldn't recognise it.
Yeah.
빛이 차가워져
Is it a huge chance?
Possibly.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Go dumb and dumber
This reminds me of Ratchet and Clank.
No.
You know what I mean? Eh?
Yeah.
This music video
Yeah.
is so strange. What? Oh wow.
I think I just got an ideal comment. Can I have what they're having?
느낌이 왔어 볼륨을 높여 쿵쾅대는 베이스가 느껴져 머리 옆에 박을까
All of them are like heavy and poppy. It's like, ugh.
Yeah. Why do I do that to the driver?
Imagine if you were on something and watched this.
Yeah. Now we're just in the woods.
They're all having dreams if you know this.
Yeah.
The music video is just what?
It's on crack. He tries to what they're hearing.
Go dumb and dumber
So they got what?
Let's get going down down let's get going got each other we're going dumb and dumber break it down 하늘이 빙글빙글 머리가 지끈지끈 걸음은
I feel like most of the older songs are really rap based.
Yeah.
Especially this one.
Yeah.
It's making me really dizzy. This is like Magic School Bus, like where they go through this time.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
No,
want-
it's from the debut album.
Huh.
And welcome back debut album again.
I want what they're having. Wow.
I think the music video and a bit of that choreo makes the song.
Mm.
Like I mentioned in my top 10,
Yeah.
I kind of go off like the choreo and like the
Yeah.
live performances and all
Yeah.
that. They make the song.
Yeah.
If I kind of heard that just through Spotify and not knowing what that
Yeah.
happened, it may not been like, oh, like it's a good song, yeah, I enjoyed it. But since I watched that, I'm
Yeah.
like, wow,
Yeah.
like I remember that. I will remember that.
Yeah, I mean, I'm going to remember that, but I'm different to you. I always go on how it sounds.
Yeah.
Because I'm not always watching a performance. It's usually through Spotify or whatever.
Oh, if it sounds good,
Yeah.
I still would enjoy it.
Yeah.
I just think to take it to the next level, the performance and all that, and
I
incorporate.
can see that, but yeah, it's just, for me, it's always comes down to sound. Which is it's not a bad song. by
Yeah,
any
it
stretch.
wasn't that bad.
Yeah, it's a good song.
Music video.
Yeah, I guess it just got dumb and dumber as it went on. I
Yeah,
guess. I
yeah.
guess that was the point.
Yeah, well,
I guess that was the point.
it had to be the point because that video was what?
That's the only sort of theory I could put to this video because otherwise it's just on crack.
Yeah. Hairstyles on point.
Yeah, with just like hair gel their hair up.
Yeah. Well, imagine if we did that.
Yeah.
I don't think mine will go up that much.
No,
Well, I could, but
probably
no.
could actually grow it out a wee bit
Give
more.
us a second.
Yeah.
No.
Give us like 5 weeks.
Yeah. Well, this is what, about 3-4 months?
Yeah,
It doesn't go long. It just, it just goes everywhere.
yeah.
Anyway, we might as well move on because I feel that video. Oh, in a way, this is maybe really dizzy seeing the things
Yeah.
going around. Anyway, bling bling,
Bling bling.
bling bling.
Bling bling.
2 years later.
Nice ride.
Yeah. Hairstyle again.
Yo, wow.
Bling bling. This was in your honorable mentions.
It was.
Bling bling. So we're seeing a lot more choreo here.
Yeah.
I feel like B.O. normally starts most of the
Yeah.
iKON songs.
Yeah.
Oh, didn't you see someone dancing in shorts?
Yeah.
A lot in K-pop in general.
Yeah.
Bit of basketball.
Yep. Fred and Taz got like basketball shirts in it. Saying that we haven't reacted to this video for Ren Tar yet.
Bling bling. It's got 2 hairstyles.
Yeah. Just remember that, eh?
You're right there, Benny.
Totally. Just like remember that part of the song.
I feel like that's the signature Bobby here.
Yeah.
Like the style.
Yeah.
It is. Those lights in the background are very
Yeah.
off-putting, a bit too bright.
Can be, yeah.
Bling bling, I got all this money, I got all this work. I do like this chorus.
Yeah.
Making their own gold biscuits.
I guess. Just like that bling bling, eh?
But after the bling,
Yeah.
bling bling bling.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Singing the bridge like he's been to.
Know your place. Know your role and
Yeah.
stick to it.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is party
Yeah.
because we got all this bling.
Yeah, let's just show off.
We're winning.
Yeah.
Bling bling. It says it card yard. It's called bling bling
Ah.
up on top.
Ah.
See? Hand car wash and detailing. Bling bling.
Okay. That's all about washing cars.
We'll probably get a comment saying that.
Yeah.
It was actually all about cleaning cars.
Yeah, making
making
bling
all
bling.
bling. Making them all on fire, on point.
Yeah, that's one song we'll mention for a reason. Just
Yeah, no,
it's so catchy.
It's a real good song.
Yeah.
It wasn't in my honourable mentions, was it? I don't think so. My list is.
I don't think so.
Make You Proud, Rhythm Tar, Dive, Best Friend, and there's one other.
I can't remember.
Can't remember. I don't think it was Bling Bling. I don't think so.
Yeah, just like how catchy the song is. It's so catchy.
It's a good song.
Yeah, the dancing is really cool.
Yeah, I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that choreo. I enjoyed watching choreo.
Yeah.
And obviously we didn't get to see much of it in the last two.
Yeah.
So they're more focused in on this one.
Yeah.
And the way we've come to know iKON,
Yeah.
their choreos always suit the song.
Yeah, exactly.
And it was really cool to see.
Yeah. Favorite of the three?
Bling Bling.
Yeah.
Did you have to ask?
I didn't need to technically, but it's just the thing we do now,
Yeah.
so...
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah, but anything more to add?
No.
So I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Make sure you check out the start of the video again for a wee update.
Yeah. Sorry that it was long, but
Yeah,
once we get it out of the way, it's out of the way.
exactly. So, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you did, smash that like and subscribe button. Any requests down below. And we'll see you tomorrow for skills choices.
See you.
See ya.